What's the meaning of centrifugal? Centrifugal. Centrifugal.
Centrifugal. Centrifugal. Centrifugal is an adjective that describes something that moves away from a central point or axis. When an object is subjected to centrifugal force, it tends to move in a straight line away from the center of rotation. This is commonly observed in spinning objects such as a merry-go-round or a washing machine. The result of centrifugal force can be seen in the movement of objects or particles that are pushed outwards by the force. In short, centrifugal force causes objects to move away from the center of rotation.